I welcome you again to the RG online training classes of Python. Today in this video we are learning further in the Kinter programming in Python. As you know, in the last video we learned the Kinter widgets. How can we create a label? How can we create a button? In this video we are learning what action has to be performed on button. How can we perform that? How can we implement that in Python programming in Kinter? So let's start. First of all, from Kinter, import star, and then we create a root variable over here. Then we set the title of our Kinter window. Let's set the title of our Kinter window performing action when button is clicked. Then let's define the geometry of our window. After that, we are going to define a button. How can we create the button in Python and what action has to be performed on button? That we will learn today. B1 equal to button. We can take any name. We can take any variable name. Here I have taken B1. You can take your name as well. So B1 equal to button. Button has to be added in root, and text of that button is click me. Foreground color of the button is red and background color of the button is yellow. As you know very well that if the button is a widget, if it has to be added in a Kinter window, then finally we need to pack b1 dot pack and root dot main loop. And if we run this, you can see here we have a Kinter window and we have this button click me. When we click this button, now no action is being performed, but we want today that when we click this button we want any action to be performed. So let's see how can we do. Here you need to add command equal to display, and now we will define the function display over here. Def display, as you know, def is a keyword that is used to define the functions in Python, and print you have clicked the button. You have clicked the button. And if now we run this program and click on the button click me, then let's see what happens. You can see this is our Kinter window. Title of this Kinter window is performing action when button is clicked, and the button name is click me. The foreground color of the button is red and the background color of the button is yellow. If we click this button, we can see on IDLE we are getting you have clicked the button. You have clicked the button. So the number of times I am clicking the button, it is printing on IDLE that you have clicked the button. You can see. So this is how we can perform action on any button. Whenever we want to perform action when button is clicked in Kinter, then we can use command over here. Command equal to name of the function, and here we have defined our function. It's all about today's video, so just stay tuned, my dear viewers. If you want to learn more and you are excited about this language and you are interested, as you know that Python is the most important language that you should learn, so just stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.